So, hello everyone, welcome to TriRides. Myself Sujit. So, today in this session, we are going to cover all the remaining operator. So, the first remaining operator is assignment operator. So, what is assignment operator? Means this is the combination of two operator. One is arithmetic operator, okay. So, another one is assignment operator. So the assignment operator, to declare, we need to give equal to sign. So what are the assignment operator? We can say that means addition equal to, then subtraction equal to, then multiplication equal to, then modular division equal to, so then float division equal to, then true division equal to, then exponential equal to. So these are our assignment operator are available in our Python. Now we are going to see through a example. Okay, so I'll take a 1 equal to 20. Now I want to assign some value, but at that time we are going to increment and assign. Means at a time both our work are done. Okay, simultaneously we can say that. So I need to increment and I need to assign. So if you say that I'll increment with 5, I will be assigning again that a value in that itself. So whenever I print a value, it give me 25. Okay. So just like that, this is the control flow for this assignment operator. So now we are going to see all our assignment, mean the arithmetic operator in that. Okay. Then subtraction will be there. Then our multiplication will be there. Then our modulus will be there, then our true division, float division will be that. So each and everything we are going to cover in this session. So then also we are going to see our exponential also, how the exponential will going to work. So till now we need to, because here it became 0, so I need to again re-initialize with the 20. Okay, so for that only I need to print a star so that you can get a clear picture of that. Okay, so now you just see it give me 25 because 20 will be a plus 5, 25, then 25 become 20, then 25 into 500, then it give me the modulus, mean the remainder value. Then I just take again that particular a equal to 20, then I need to true division. We know that true division will give you as the output as always the integer, so the floating value, so that's why it give you 0. Okay, so again we need to take that particular things here because it again become its true division, that's why. So if you see it gives you the 4 because we know that 4, because floor division will be always give the output as the integer. So these are the assignment operator are available in Python. Now we are going to cover the logical. So logical operator in Python. So yeah, so logical operator are and, or, not. So in our college life, we are already seen what is the and gate, or gate, and not gate. So we know that if I am building that AND gate, you can get a clear picture of that. So AND gate will be satisfying while we need to compare both hand side. Means if both hand side are true, it's give you true. If one side is also false, it gives you false. So this is our logic table, or we can say that AND gate for your Python. So if I giving as the false false, it's become false. Now we are going to compare for our OR. So in the OR case, it will be if one condition is become true, it's give you true. It does not need to convert to the second. Okay, means while we are dealing with your OR condition, if you are finding one true condition, it become true. While both are false, then only it gives you false. And not is a opposite of that, means if you are taking true, it's become false. If you are taking false, it become true. Okay, so this is how our operator will be going to work. Okay, now if I'm giving you a overview how it's going to happen, you can get a clear picture on that. So I just take two variable, var1 equal to 420 and var2 equal to 100. Okay, now I need to compare var1 is greater than var2 and var1 is less than var2. So if you see 420 is greater than 100, it's true. Means we know by using your AND operator, it gives you check the both hand side. Here we need to check both hand side. If you see here, it's become false because 420 is not less than 100. That's why it gives you false. Now we are going to see a false condition. How the false condition is going to work? Okay, var1 is greater than var2. Okay, it's true. And var1, okay, so var1 is less than var2. It's false. But we know that in the OR condition, if one condition will be true, it does not come to the second condition. Okay, just see first condition it's true. Sorry. So var1 is greater than var2. Okay, I'll be using the AND. No, we need to check the OR. Just see, it gives you true. Okay, so then the not operator, how it's going to work? We know that var1 is greater than var2. We know that it gives you true. But if I am using the not operator, then it give you the opposite answer. Just see, it gives you false. Okay, now I need to give you some interview question, means they might be asking. Okay, I tell na, means if that first one it become true, it's need to convert to check this second condition. How it going to happen, we are going to see. Okay, so yeah, so here I'll take a value as 4. So before we are going to start this type of question, first thing, I think you know in the Python there are some 8 to 9 false value are there. Means false value means while we are converting into Boolean value, it's always give you the false value. Okay, so these are our false value are available in your Python. So this one is tuple means the empty, all the empty as the false value. Okay, so the dictionary also like that, the empty. So these are false value. So remaining all the as the treated as our truthy value. Okay, so one will be left, I think, none. Okay, so remaining this we are treated as the truthy value. So based upon that we are going to see. Okay, so I'll take 4 and 0. Okay, so we know that 0 is a false value. What? 4 is a truthy value. So it means it need to give the recent false value. What is the recent false value? Is 0. That's why if you see it gives you 0. Okay. But if I'm giving here a false value 0 0.0, it's give you again 0 because both are false value. But it need to check both hand side, means it also this check, means we cannot say that if the first value is false, it become false or not. That's why if it's become false, it need to give that particular things. Okay, so here it become false. Yeah, it's going to work. Now, I want to tell you in the OR operator, how this OR operator will going to work. We know that if one condition will be true, it does not give you the second particular, right? I'll give 4 or I'll take a false value 0 0.0. If you check that particular things, it gives you false because this is the recent truthy value. Okay, based upon that, it's always give you. So yeah, that's for this logical operator. Now we are going to cover our next operator is comparison operator. So comparison operator in the sense means we need to compare something, means either we need to compare true value, means which one is greater, which one is lower. just like that. So how? Means to achieve there are so many comparison operator will be there. First one is greater than, less than, then greater equal to, then less equal to, then not equal to, okay, then double equal to. So how it going to happen? So I just want to tell. So in our all the data types, it are working, but expect our set and dictionary. Okay, these will be not working in your set and dictionary, but these are working in your set and dictionary. It's working, but we need to compare each and every element. So how it become work, we are going to see. Okay, so I'll take no, I need to specify that particular thing. A equal to 10 and B equal to 20. So A is greater than B means A is greater than me. So it's become means 10 is greater than B. No, it's become false. That's why it gives you false. If I'm taking like that, this one is less than means it's true, means I need to compare, it's become true. Now I need to compare equal to or not equal to. Okay, if I'm comparing double equal to, a is double equal to means both hand side, it's not, it give you false. If I am clicking a not equal to, so it became true. Okay, just like that our comparison is going to work, but it need to integer comparison. But while we are dealing with your string, means I'll take try rights, and here I take the capital try rights. Okay, so how it going to happen, I just want to tell you. Okay, so while we are comparing is just like that, greater than, less than, it's always take your axis value. So this small means the lowercase axis value start from the 97 and the uppercase axis value start from your 65. Okay, so based upon that, your Python is going to count. Okay. So here, if you see, small will be start from the 97 means it's always greater. Means if you are comparing this one, it's always greater. Okay. If I am comparing, okay. So means TT means it will be searching our T. If I am taking a also means here a try rates means small a try rates. Here I'll take a capital A brackets. Okay. So means it need to compare both character. Okay. Both are equal, then it go to the next character. But here both are not equal means small will be 97. So 97 is greater than 65. Yes, it's true. That's why it give you true. Okay. Just like your list, tuple, then we are a set and dictionary. It will be comparing your value based upon you, it's give you the output. So now we are going to see our bitwise operator. So what is bitwise operator? So bitwise operator. Okay, yeah. So bitwise operator are, this is called AND operator. Okay, and this is called bitwise and this is bitwise OR, and this is your bitwise XOR. Okay, we are already seen for these two truth table. For this XOR we are going to see. Okay, how it's going to happen. I'll take true value and true. I just need to create, then I will tell you how it's going to happen. Okay, so yeah, I'll create that particular things. Okay, in the XOR, if both hand side value are true, means either true, either false, means both hand side are false, then it's always give you the false value. Means both hand side, if you same, it give you false. If the opposite value will be there, it gives you true. Okay, so these are your XOR means opposite are true, same are false. Now by the help of your XOR we can find. Okay, so XOR it's always check your binary. Okay, how the binary and everything we are going to see. Okay, I just want to print the value 9 bitwise and 11. So if you don't know how to find your binary number in Python, there will be a bin function will be there. Okay, so bin of 9, if you are giving, it's give you the binary number of that particular things. Okay, 1001. Okay, just like that you can compare your 11 also. So if you see, it gives you the 11. So if you want to learn how to find the binary, I just give you a raw vision, means how it going to find. Okay, so means you need to, so just a second, I'll need to change the color of the pen. Okay, so means I'll take a 9. Oh, sorry, I'll take a 9, then it's going to 2, means 2 to the power 4, means it 4. It give you the value as 1. Then again, means binary means 2. Again, sorry, okay, yeah. So then it's give you the false, means it's like that, and it will give you the output as 1. Then it's become 2 to the power 2, means 2. Okay, so it gives you 0. Then again it's need to divide 2 to the power 1. It's gives you the 1, and it give you the output as 0. Okay, if you see, then you need to count from here. Okay, 1001. So for the 9, if you see also, it give you 1001. Just like that we can find the both end. Okay, after you find how it going to happen, I just want to tell. So this is the value of 9, and this is the value of the 11. Okay, so for the AND operator, we know that when the both the condition are true, then only it will be give you the truthy value, means both the condition are true, otherwise it's become false. Okay, so this is for your AND. Okay, now we are going to see for your OR. OR means when one condition also true, it's become true. So if you see, it gives you true. Okay, if you compare 1 1 1, then 1 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, now how we need to convert to the number? So there is a small, uh, we can say that this is a small trick one. So if you want to find any binary number to number, you can just make it that 1 2, then 2 to the power 4, 4 to the power 2 is 8, 8 to the power 2 is 16. Okay, now you just put that all the things, means from the 1 you need to start 1 0 0 1. So now you need to remove your 0, means these are invalid. For these are 8 plus 1, it's become 9. If you see 1, yeah, so this value is become, while we are dealing with 9, b twice 9, it gives you 9. But while these are the 11s, if you see 1 0 1 1, it's become 8 plus 2 plus 1, means it's give you 11. Okay, now we are going to see in each and everything by through your example only. Now if we are going to see by your bitwise XOR, XOR means same r becomes 0, means if I am taking same r becomes 0, okay, and opposite r become 1. If you see, it's only 2, means 1 2 4 8. So these are the become 0, means we need to remove the 0 and we take the 1 value. So 1 value is become 2. So now if I am running the all the code in here, so I just need to run. Okay, so I'll using the OR and I'll using the XOR. If you see, it give me the all the corrected value, whatever we are seeing in that word. Just see. So that's all for this session, guys. Thanks for watching. Try Rates.